Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, like I've been saying for a while, I do believe we are in a wave 5, but I definitely, as of now, do not see any proof that this wave 5 is over. It could always keep on going out. There's no reason why it would have to stop here. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still am not really convinced that this is over. It did make an engulfing move to the downside, but to me it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it needs to go up for a wave 5 of wave 5 to complete this pattern that starts right here, which should be a 5-wave uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where I'm calling this a wave 1 and a wave 2. This looks like a wave 3. Kind of looks like we're in a wave 4. I actually think that the wave 4 could be over, but like I've been saying for a while now, it could be an A, it could be a B, and it could go down for a C before it actually does go up, and that would be a completely normal looking pattern if it does do that. But I'm not really convinced that it is going to do that, at least not yet. I think there's a chance that it could actually just keep on drifting up and that we may already be in that wave 5 of wave 5. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we definitely did have a little bit of an impulsive move down on the yen pairs today, but it still hasn't broken any structure. And it also never took out this high over here, so I think there is a pretty good chance that we will get at least another push up. If it does push up and then go down and break structure, that's what will tell me that this really is an A, a B, and a C, and that would tell me it's most likely a B, that this is most likely an A, and that at that point it's most likely going down for a wave C. But I really wouldn't be convinced of that analysis at all until we had a nice break of structure to the downside, because, like I was explaining on the daily, this potentially could continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and we potentially could be already in that wave 5 on the much larger time frames. So definitely looking for longs until proven otherwise. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely going down right now, but there's nothing really telling us that this is really anything beyond a correction to the uptrend, probably to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. So if this actually does go down, make an ABC shape, something like this. Then make an engulfing move to the upside, especially if you put your Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Then that would be exactly what I would want to see for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Now you could definitely go short at the end of this wave B, and if it's not a wave B and it really is a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, and you go short and it just keeps on trending down, that's going to be like a bonus trade. I still think that's the most least likely scenario. I still think this is more likely going to be an ABC, and I think it's more likely just going to keep on trending up. But we always got to keep our options open. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover all the pairs on this list over here from top to bottom. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade / day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.